Octopus, I'm Jack the Greek. Today we're going to cook octopus. Yes, we're going to cook some barbecue octopus. We're going to cook it on the CrossRay BBQ on the bottom grill with all 4 burners on low. The trick with octopus is how you prepare it, but also how you cook it. And of course, we don't want to overcook it because then it'll become too dry and too chewy. Prep is very important to make sure you clean it very well and take the outer layer skin off, just like that. Look at our beautiful octopus. And we've got some nice thick octopus today because the way we're going to cook it and the way we're going to serve it is for a mezze. So we want to be able to slice it on our board and serve it as an entree to your friends as a mezze. You don't want to have it either in a stew or in a casserole. So we want to make sure it's nice and thick and large, but also juicy at the end. We're going to complement it with some beautiful lavaki, salt, pepper, and oregano. Very simple and traditional. Oppa. Prep? There's no prep. This is it. We've cleaned it, we've washed it, we've taken the outer layer of the skin off, and now it's time to put it on the CrossRay BBQ. Come in close and have a look. You've got to make sure that your CrossRay BBQ is nice and hot and burning when you put it on. And watch this and listen carefully. Oppa. Beautiful. And there's the other one, just like this. And there we go. So we're going to leave it there for around about 5 minutes before we turn it over. And then we're going to cook it for another 5, obviously. And then we'll be plating it up, slicing it up on our board, and serving it to our friends that are here to enjoy. 5 minutes now. Come in close and have a look to see how the beautiful octopus is just about ready to turn. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at it brown up and start becoming nice and caramelized. Look at that. Beautiful. So we'll turn it over. We don't want to burn it because then it becomes a little bit bitter and it comes too tough. So we've got all the burners on low and we're cooking it like that to make sure that it remains nice and juicy. Back in around 5 minutes to plate it up. There's a beautiful mezze with limoni and lavi. Opa. Here we go. Come in close and have a look and see how beautiful, beautiful. All ready to go. So we'll put it up there and we'll just bring the first one around. Opa, look at that. And we might as well bring the second one. There we go. There we go. We'll just turn off our CrossRay BBQ. But like I said, we've had it on for about 10 minutes. And it usually does take around 10 minutes when it's a large piece like this and nice and thick. Otherwise, 5 or 6 minutes it should be done. So what we'll do is, with this one here, we'll just place it on our tray just like that. And we'll put it on there like this, I think. I think we'll just place this one just like that. There we go. Beautiful. And then with this one, we'll slice up some bits. Look at that. Oh, pass. Look at that. Beautiful. Look how easily and nicely it just slices up. Beautiful. Look at that. Nice and moist still inside. You don't want to overcook it because then it will just toughen up and it'll become like a shoe sock. So hoppas, there we go. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. We'll put that there. We'll grab this, place it just there. And there we go. Slice it up there. And there we have it. We have our lemons as well. We'll put our lemon there. And with this lemon, just place it like that. Here we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. We have our salt. Just on top like this. Put that away. Some little lavaki. There we go. Beautiful. Our rigani, of course. Look at that, I can smell it from here. The flavours and everything. And a little bit of pepper, of course. There we go. So we'll put this away. We'll get rid of our tray. Just place it over here. And there we have it. Our beautiful Greek style octopus mezze, all cooked on the CrossRay BBQ in about 10 minutes by Jack the Greek. And of course, to complement your beautiful octopus on a nice sunny day, enjoy it with a beautiful mythos. Opa, from Jack the Greek.